And here's the first basin. Here we go. All the way up there. It goes back down in there. Around there. Little coves. And then, what's going on with my phone? It's beeping at me. And then this comes back down into the narrows to get to the second basin. And here's the narrows. I'm in the first basin, heading to the narrows, which is heading to the second basin, which is the one I live in. Well, not in the basin. And here is the top of the second basin. I'm in the narrows, just getting to the second basin. And second basin. Okay, top of the second basin. Turn over there. Getting ready to turn. Going into the second basin. And still sort of the top of the second basin. Sort of curving around here. Second basin. Here's some of the nice houses that are on the same road that I'm on. They're just in the better location on the lake. It's a pretty one.